Stop! Before you buy a bread machine, hear this. I baked over 80 loaves. Burnt crusts. Dense bricks. Failed rises. But 5 machines? They created bakery-level bread at home. Number 4 will make you throw away your old machine. All product links for your buy are in video description. Like, share, and subscribe or your next loaf fails. Starting at number 1. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. Best overall. Zojirushi has made a name for itself providing top-quality cooking machines such as rice cookers and bread makers. This particular bread-making machine impressed us with its consistency and versatility. It creates 2-pound loaves that are consistent in flavor, appearance, and texture, and we also loved its little baking window that lets you watch your bread while it bakes. First, we loved how clear the instructions were in regards to each of the 15 different settings. The settings include the type of bread being made as well as any bread specifics such as gluten-free, sugar-free, or vegan. You can even use this machine to make a sourdough starter or delicious jam. It comes with all the necessary measuring utensils, including liquid and dry ingredient measuring cups. Bake time averaged around 3.5 hours, creating a light brown loaf of bread with a fluffy yet chewy and flavorful inside. The dual paddles made mixing the dough incredibly quick and easy, and the pan made a decent-sized loaf that would last for a good week. Removing the bread pan from the machine was very easy, and after letting it cool, it slid out effortlessly from the pan. We did note that the loaf came out a bit lopsided, but overall it was a beautiful loaf of bread with an even, toasted top. The bread machine only makes one size of bread, but with its versatile settings and overall ease of use, this is a fantastic bread maker for those who bake bread on a regular basis and are willing to invest in a high-quality bread maker. Number 2. Amazon Basics Non-Stick Bread Making Machine. Best budget. When we were looking at candidates for the best beginners category, we wanted to find a machine that was mainly easy to use and yielded quality results. The Amazon Basics Bread Maker has a simple, to-the-point design that allows you to make quality bread with very little work. It has 14 settings that include basic/regular bread, French, whole wheat, quick, sweet, and gluten-free. There's also a homemade option, which is the manual setting for making regular bread. The machine also comes with its own measuring tools, though we felt those could be improved upon as they did not have handles and the measurement lines were a little hard to read. The machine yielded an average of 1.5 to 2-pound loaves of bread, with their overall texture and shape being similar to your typical loaf of homemade bread. The outside was light tan and crunchy. The inside was maybe a little more dense than typical store-bought white bread, think more like French bread. Overall, this is a very comparable bread maker to more notable name brand machines for a great price point, and it's perfect for someone who is a beginner at baking. Number 3. Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. Best small. Nobody wants to deal with an overly large and bulky bread maker. It can take up too much space on the counter and end up being a nuisance. The Cuisinart bread maker machine stood out to us because of its convenient and compact size. Though it may be smaller than the average machine, standing at a little over 13 inches tall, it still delivers a delicious loaf of bread. At just $100, this machine has 12 settings for either a 1-, 1.5-, or 2-pound loaf of bread. It even gives you the choice of crust options, light, medium, dark. Settings include your basics like white bread, French, and whole wheat, but it also has gluten-free, jam, and packaged mix settings. The machine comes with a convenient cookbook that guides you through using the machine and also includes 46 recipes. One of the things we noticed is that this machine's instructions were much more prescriptive than other machines we tested. You can't just pour in all the ingredients at once but rather have to add them in a specific order to ensure the proper quality. Number 4. Panasonic Automatic Bread Maker. Best settings. The Panasonic bread machine was definitely a standout in our testing process and came in at a close second contender for the best overall category. This is a great machine for someone who wants a lot of versatility in their bread options. The Panasonic has 20 preset features broken into subcategories, including bread, basic, basic rapid, basic raisin, French, brioche, sourdough, gluten-free, bread, cake, pizza, pasta, dough, basic, basic raisin, pizza, sourdough starter, sweet, cake, bake only, jam, and manual, cake kneading, bread kneading, rise. The machine comes with both a quick start guide that has 16 recipes inside as well as a full guide that has 40 recipes, including brioche bread as well as more artisanal options like sun-dried tomato and Parmesan bread. The machine also allows you to choose the size of your bread, an option not a lot of machines have. You can choose between medium, large, and extra large, and you also have the option to choose the color of your crust, light, medium, or dark. This machine really blew us away with how easy it is to use, even with its variety of settings. The instructions were very clear and concise, and there were even corresponding pictures so we could see exactly what we were supposed to be doing. Number 5. Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. Best for beginners. The small but mighty Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker has pumped out white, wheat, and French bread consistently over the last 3 months during our tests. It's perfect for 1 to 2 people and can make up to 2 pounds of bread at once. There are 19 easy-to-use settings, including gluten-free, sandwich, and pizza dough, though it can make specialty items like jam, yogurt, and cake, too. This machine comes with everything you need: a non-stick bread pan, a measuring cup and spoon, a kneading blade, and a metal hook for lifting out the kneading blade. You'll also get an instruction manual that is very clear about when and how to add the ingredients. This should be strictly followed. In our initial lab test, our bread took about 3 hours and 20 minutes to bake. After a 10-minute rest in the pan, the cute little square-shaped loaf slid right out onto a cooling rack. It was light brown and crispy on the outside and soft with tiny air pockets on the inside. The specific recipe we used didn't give it a robust flavor, but that was easily remedied with salted butter. That's the 5. The winner shocked everyone on my team. Links for all machines are waiting below. Subscribe so you never waste money on kitchen gadgets again. Share this with someone who's tired of store bread. Now go bake something amazing.